Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mathematics by Fanna. Today let us see the third question of exercise 10.2. If tangents PA and PB from a point P to a circle with center O are inclined to each other at an angle of 80 degrees, then angle POA is equal to. Let us draw the diagram. Let us draw a circle first. Now from a point P, tangent PA and PB is drawn. Let this be A and B. From center of the circle is O. Joining OA and OB, there is the radius. They have said that angle APB is 80 degrees. And we know that angle OAP and OBP is 90 degrees by theorem 10.1. That is, radius of a circle is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. Clearly, OA is perpendicular to AP and OB is perpendicular to BP. Now, in quadrilateral OAPB, since sum of all interior angles is 360 degree, we will substitute and find the angle of AOB. Angle O plus angle A plus P plus B is equal to 360 degrees. Angle AOB plus 90 degree plus 80 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 360 degree. Angle AOB, 90 plus 90 is 180, 180 plus 80 is 260. 260 is equal to 360, which gives us angle AOB is equal to 360 minus 260, that is 100 degrees. We also know that tangents drawn to a circle from an external point subtends equal angles at the center, which states that angle AOP is equal to angle BOP. We have got the total as 100 degree. To make them equal, we have to divide by 2. Therefore, angle POA is equal to half of angle AOB. That is 1 by 2 of 100, which gives us 50 degrees. Therefore, angle POA is 50 degrees. Thank you. Happy learning.